The 2025 Kenworth T2700 Motorhome is a perfect blend of power, comfort, and innovation. Built on Kenworth's rugged medium-duty platform, this motorhome is designed for travelers who refuse to compromise between luxury and performance. Under the hood, the T2700 is powered by a PACCAR PX-7 engine, delivering up to 325 horsepower and 750 pounds-ft of torque, ensuring smooth performance whether you're cruising highways or navigating hilly terrain. Paired with an Allison automatic transmission, the drive is both responsive and effortless. Step inside and you're welcomed into a premium living space that feels more like a high-end apartment on wheels. From handcrafted wood cabinetry and LED lighting to solid surface countertops and a full kitchen, everything screams sophistication. The spacious layout includes a slide-out section, opening up more room for a comfortable lounge area, a queen-size bed, and a full bathroom with a glass door. Shower technology is a strong point here too. The integrated touchscreen control panel manages lighting, climate, and entertainment with ease. Smart connectivity allows remote control via your phone. Entertainment options include a 4K smart TV, premium surround sound, and satellite connectivity for internet and streaming. On the outside, the motorhome features full-body paint, high-end chrome detailing, and automatic leveling jacks. There's also ample exterior storage, a power awning, and outdoor entertainment. Setup ideal for tailgating or relaxing under the stars. The 2025 Kenworth T2700 Motorhome isn't just transportation. It's a mobile lifestyle of luxury, control, and reliability. Perfect for long road trips or full-time RV. Enjoy your journey and like and subscribe and click the bell icon.